in a Bulldozer's World by Clever Kids. In a Bulldozer's world, things are messy and mucky. They push lots of dirt that gets them all yucky. In a Bulldozer's world, jobs can take them near or far. They can work by the ocean or down with the cars. In a Bulldozer's world, they work very hard. They dig up dirt and rubble to clean up people's yards. In a Bulldozer's world, they are driven by an operator. They can make the bulldozer turn around or make it drive straighter. In a Bulldozer's world, they get to work with their friends. Excavators, loaders, dump trucks. On a construction site, they can all attend. In a Bulldozer's world, rocks and rubble are moved around with ease. Pick them up or dump them out. It's really a breeze. In a Bulldozer's world, they sometimes work at night. All they need is a really big light to keep their workspace nice and bright. In a Bulldozer's world, sometimes trees need to be moved away. They might be clearing for a new roadway or even a new railway. So now you know about the Bulldozer's world. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.